We welcome all media and press people here today. It's a great honor for us to be in Dubai, to be in UAE, and have such international designers here in Dubai. UAE is going to be the design capital of the world. Dubai is a city of gold. We are known for jewelry, and now it will be known for design. Fresh designers, talented designers have competed, and they have given amazing inputs. Yes. And the jewelers of Middle East and India, they have manufactured those pieces. Ms. Maheema, the founder and co-founder of Wada Awards, she will brief you more about the awards.
So Wada is actually promise to designers of the industry. There is no such competition worldwide which is happening right now in Dubai, and Dubai is the global city. Everybody wants to come in Dubai, start their business. They want to live in this city. This is going to become the global city of the world. So that's the reason we wanted to have the first grand finale here in Dubai. So yes, and tonight we are going to honor the creativity, the craftsmanship of the designers we have from all over the world. From here we have the design from Taiwan, from Switzerland, from US, and the energy in the room is so nice. You guys can feel it. So we are really glad to have such a nice jury member who graded all the awards, and we are more than happy to have the industry support in making this event happen here in Dubai. Thank you so much for all of you to come in here.
We want to thank a special thanks to Dr. Gaetano Cavalieri. He's the president of World Jewelry Confederation from Switzerland. They supported, because if the industry support is not there, an international competition cannot succeed. So we have the support from International Colorstone Organization, we have the support from CIVJO, we have the support from Diamond Jewelry Export Promotion Council India, and we thank our associate partner, Dubai Gold and Jewelry Group, Mr. Tawhid Abdullah, especially for supporting this cause. Thank you so much. Edition of Wada Awards, and this is one unique competition where 31 countries have participated. So designers from 31 countries have participated. Usually there are awards in all over the different countries, but the participants are local, and the promotion is also for that country. But this is to get the talent from all over the world. So we got 300 designers who have participated from 31 countries, and first shortlisting was done with 100 top designers of the world. Second judgment happened with 50 top designers of the world, and those designers are being awarded today.
That is actually the promise to all the designers, and the purpose is that we want to empower the designers. We want to extend the support, because our back support is our World Academy of Design. This is our educational wing where we teach jewelry designing and manufacturing. See, we want their skills to be updated, and then we want to have a wider skilled jewelry designer in our industry. So this is our main reason why we had the Wada Awards, why we launched this Wada Awards.
It's an honor and pleasure to be chief guest on such professional award, which has been organized from the Academy of Jewelry. And today I say it's really professional and outstanding, because the person behind the work hand by hand many years to perform the high caliber and high standard, especially in Dubai, designer from 31 countries, and that is not easy. This performance, it's give us more talent and more empowering other jewelry design in the Academy of Jewelry. So I say thank you for this honor, and I'm glad, and that it's not new, because they are in UAE, the land of opportunity, the land of talent. And thank you to the media for always supporting us. And I say always, Wada Award, #1 in UAE.
I'm Nasia Ahmed. So I am here in Wada Awards. It's a very beautiful, creative, matlab ek fashion show comes with the jewelry awards hai ye, and हमारी टीम प्रोडक्शन और सब मैनेजमेंट में है. तो अब लाइक आई एम द CEO of Queen's International Fashion and Events Company. So it's a great to be here part of.
Ambassador Sandeep Mehta, Goodwill Ambassador. I'm here to support Tarun Jain ji. Tarun Jain ji is a good friend of ours from last 2-3 years. He's running Jewelry Design Academy, and this night, tonight, is an amazing night where from 31 countries participants have come to present their jewelry designs, and we will have winners. And award committee has been doing this planning for almost a year now. In last 1 month, we have a list of international top judges who are going to select the winner of the best jewelry design. So I've come here to support Mr. Jain for the event and wishing him and all of you a grand success of the event.
Mustafa Sasa, it's my privilege to attend this Gems and Jewelry Designers Award evening. Gems and jewelries are such a decorative piece which enhances the beauty in man and woman. So it's no more an accessories, it is enhancing the beauty. The designer, they create designs which fits for everyone. And I'm very optimistic to see the worldwide designers gathering over here and competing and getting awarded. So it's a great show tonight. And Dubai is the epicenter of all the happening of all the events in the world. And I'm happy that they chose Dubai as a venue for this. And I wish all the best to the organizers for organizing this wonderful event.
I'm Hanif Sheikh, founder chairman Emirates Holding Group. Today we are here, Wada Awards. Mr. Tarun Jain and his team, they have done a wonderful job creating this platform for all the designers world over. So there is an exhibition, there is awards, there is fashion show. So it's an extravaganza, amazing. We wish them all the best and congratulations in advance to all the awardees.
See, from here, the awards and fashion show is very nice, actually. I wish them all the best for all of them. Thank you very much.
Meticulously refined and reviewed the submissions. So then, Mr. Vijay embrace the values of hard work, and for this, distinguished guest. Yes, thank you so much. And our students taking your valuable time to share with us.
Great to come here, and thank you for the WADA team, and I'm pretty sure to join this event.
It's an honor to have this award today in here. It's a wonderful night, and my heartfelt thanks to everybody who is involved this.
I have to thank WADA Awards for having me and giving me this stage for us designers to showcase our talent. And actually, as a designer, we are adjust our style for the market. But in this award, I'm 100% me style. My name is Joy.
So I won the Wedding Clutch Award, and so I feel amazing. I'm actually wearing it. So it's a ring. It's a clutch and a ring, so it can be worn 2 ways. And I feel amazing.
He's a designer, and also I am a teacher. I teach you design, and so many students experience for me. And thank you to VDA Award for the ceremony.
As always, AdZone is here to serve the best. AdZone, whatever AdZone is doing is only to achieve the success. बस यही नहीं कि बस हमें सक्सेस मिले, हमारे साथ साथ सबको सक्सेस मिले, सब खुश हो जाए, सबको ध्यान में रखते हुए काम करना है. एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर ऑल द winners. Congratulations as always. As all the media partner, thank you so much for always supporting us, always bringing up the best out of it, and all the media partners, AdZone or Wada Awards, dil se शुक्रगुजार है. Thank you so much.
Wada Awards. I'm really happy about this situation because this is a good opportunity for everybody who wants to improve and show themselves international. I think this is a good message for women around the world and show their talents. And I think title of this competition will be Sunrise. I'm really thank you for manager and everybody who run this competition.
मेरा ड्रीम फुलफिल हो गया. आसमान रियली मैं आसमान के साथ मैं खुद भी उड़ रही हूँ अभी. तो बेसिकली मेरे फैमिली में फर्स्ट मैं हूँ जो एक डिफरेंट फील्ड में आई हूँ. And more than profession, this is a passion for me. Like I am literally crazy for jewelry designing. तो ये जगह पे खड़े होके ना like एक emotion burst हुआ. Like I am feeling like that. I can't say like a dream fulfill हुआ मेरा.
3 कैटेगरी में अवार्ड है. ब्राइडल ब्रेसलेट वुमेन, फॉर्मल वेयर रिंग वुमेन एंड फॉर्मल वेयर नेकलेस वुमेन. एंड फीलिंग्स तो ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है. यूएई में पहली बार ऐसे अवार्ड्स हो रहे हैं एंड सीजन 1 के वी आर winners in 3 categories, so it's a hat trick for both of us. And we come from Capri Gold, Dubai Jewel Factory, and pieces भी यहीं से sponsored हैं, so it is a win-win in both the categories.
Gemstones, and we can craft any of the design with maximum as per the designer, whatever they require. We can be sure that whatever designer read, we can put the same effort as a manufacturer.